did a good job, not only on direct examination, which is usually most experts do, but also on cross examination, Jim. I thought that he was credible and stood up to cross examination pretty well. How do you think he presented, and how do you think the jury is going to weigh his testimony against Tobin's?
Well, I had a slightly different view. I thought there were moments in the cross examination where he got a little bit too defensive, especially when it came to the testimony about is that a pill or is that a piece of gum? And he, instead of looking at the facts, he tried to defend his testimony. And that was early on in the testimony. And I thought it undermined his credibility a little bit because that video pretty clearly showed that George Floyd was chewing gum, not a pill, in when he was in cup foods. I thought that he gave on cross examination in a important way that really helped the prosecution. And that's about the failure to provide life saving measures to George Floyd 5 minutes in when he
Mm.
becomes unconscious. And he said, well, as a physician, I agree that life saving measures should have been given at that point because he's unconscious. Again, why are you putting a knee on a neck when someone has no pulse and is unconscious in front of you? It flies in the face of common sense, and it goes against the training of Derek Chauvin. So yes, look, he's very well qualified. Johns Hopkins, Maryland medical examiner for years. I mean, he
Yeah.
has the qualifications, but I thought that Tobin and the rest of the prosecution witnesses were more effective.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to take a quick break. When we come back,